Today, Alex and Nova go to a restaurant. Listen to this slow English conversation.
Hi, Nova. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. I am very hungry.
Look. There is a restaurant here.
It looks nice and quiet.
Good. Let's go inside.
Wait, Alex. What do you want to eat?
I think I want a burger.
Nice. I want something simple.
Maybe a salad?
Yes. A salad sounds good.
Okay. Let's order slowly.
And politely.
Hello. Welcome. What would you like?
Hello. I want a burger.
You can say, I'd like a burger, please. It sounds polite.
Oh, okay. I'd like a burger, please.
Of course. One burger. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Small fries.
Sure. Small fries. And what would you like to drink?
Can I have some water, please?
Yes, of course. And for you?
I'd like a salad, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes. I'd like orange juice, please.
Very good. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Please wait near the table.
Great. That was easy.
Yes. I feel more confident now. This table is nice.
Yes. It is small, but it is perfect for two.
I like this restaurant.
Me too. It is calm.
The food is here.
Your burger looks good.
Your salad looks fresh.
Thank you.
This burger is very good.
My salad is good too.
I am very full.
Already?
Yes. The burger is big.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe ice cream.
Good idea, but I am not hungry now.
Okay. No dessert today.
Can you ask for the bill?
Yes. I can say, can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. That is polite and clear.
Let's go back to the counter.
Yes. Let's pay.
Hello again. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, thank you. It was very good.
The salad was fresh.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. One moment, please. That is £24.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes. That's perfect.
Do we need a receipt?
Yes, please. Can I have a receipt?
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That was a good restaurant.
Yes. And you used polite English.
I learned 3 useful phrases today.
I'd like a burger, please. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
Great. I can use these phrases next time.
If you understood this story, write restaurant in the comments.
See you next time.